Welcome back to The Hill. Hunter Biden is now fighting back against a key agency run by his father, the President of the United States' administration. He's suing the IRS. Now, the lawsuit claims it violated Hunter Biden's privacy by disclosing personal information to Congress and the press. This after a nearly 5-year investigation into his finances and taxes, and of course, as whistleblowers testified publicly before Congress earlier this summer. Scott, you take any exception with what Hunter Biden did today?
No, I think Abby Lowell is doing a strong defense as his attorney. This is called fighting back. This is called going on the offensive. It's not criminal, but it's civil. But it'll keep the IRS and DOJ busy, because in those congressional hearings, or even with the lawyers for these whistleblowers, if they did disclose, and I haven't been able to go back and listen to their testimony, but if they did disclose confidential information, then the IRS, when they were employed, that's certainly a violation of IRS rules. And it's just another parallel proceeding that Hunter Biden can attack them on to create leverage to settle these criminal cases.
Scorch earth. Chris, the way to go here for Hunter Biden?
You know, there's just, I keep thinking that at some point, and I guess this is naive of me, but I keep thinking at some point we find bottom for Hunter Biden. He owes his father so much. He made so much money off of being the son of a famous person. He leveraged his father's name and reputation around the world to make all of this money, which was, and I'm not saying Joe Biden profited from it, what Hunter Biden did, even if he was selling phony influence, was corruption. It was corruption, and it diminished the reputation of the United States, and it was gross. Maybe not illegal, but Hunter Biden has gotten all of the benefits of being Joe Biden's son. And now when his dad needs him to do something simple, Counselor, I am sure you're right that from a courtroom standpoint, from a legal standpoint, this is the kind of stuff that you do. From an ethical standpoint, from the duty to your father, and if they believe the things that they say about Donald Trump, their duty to the country, Hunter Biden has to plead guilty. He has to write checks. He has to go away.
But Chris, he tried to.
He tried to go away?
He tried to. Now, listen, the Republican prosecutor, they cut that deal, whether they could agree or not, but he tried to. So what do you want him to do, plead guilty and go to jail?
The missing
He doesn't want to go to jail for
not.
just being corruptible.
He tried to go away by showing up at the Truman balcony for the 4th of July fireworks. He tried to go away by going to the state dinner.
He's free to do that. That is his son.
I'm not saying Hunter Biden's not free to do it. He's free to walk around in a straw hat and a garter and sing 7 bars of Yankee Doodle Dandy. What I'm saying is he has a moral, on Constitution Day, he has a moral duty and obligation to his father to plead, go away, and leave his dad alone.
Well, 1 week ago.
Thanks for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to subscribe. Click the red button to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.